All right, how's it going, YouTube? Back out with the Arrma Infraction. It's a bit windy today, so y'all guys bear with me. I'm gonna leave the body like this. I'm gonna just give y'all a walk around. I'm out to do a speed run and some drag hits. This is my drag gearing. Just want to give y'all a walk around. All the names on the body, if y'all can see them. That's all the people that come to the events. Just give y'all a little cool glimpse. I know if I paint the body white or something, you'll see the names better. Hopefully y'all seeing that now. Excuse me, guys. So we just out here. This is just my drag gearing. I did nothing major. I just want to put a GPS on it and see what it's really doing. It is a bit windy, so hopefully it stay down. Also, I am doing a raffle, waffle, however y'all want to call it, but I'm doing it for I'll insert some of the pictures now. But I'm doing it for a brand new Traxxas Slash. It's a high center of gravity kit, but I bought the LCG kit. Comes with Proline shocks, and also it's gonna come with a Reedy brushless system, 3300. Everything is brand new. So we're doing it $20 a ticket. And you know, anybody that's watching the video and want to get into drag or whatever it is, it's gonna be $20 a ticket, and we'll call the numbers. I believe we're at 11 people right now, so we got a couple more to go, and then y'all stay tuned for that. It will be a link below for that. Yeah, once again, sorry about that. Once again, I'll put the pictures down. Y'all see the pictures, and that's a waffle, raffle, whatever y'all want to call it, going on. Everything's brand new, so good luck to everybody that's participating, and thanks to everybody that's been sharing it. So anyway, let me get to this. I'm gonna strap the GPS up on the back, zero it out, and then we'll get a quick run in. I'm not expecting nothing major. Hopefully the car stays planted, because it is windy. So all right, guys. All right, guys, we got the GPS up there. It's zeroed out. Hopefully y'all seeing that. Sorry about that. But GPS zeroed out. Timer started. I don't even know what my charge is for this. I think I might have lost it. So give me a second here, guys. Sorry about that. Forgot to plug in the booster. It's gonna be a quick blast. This ain't no really. This ain't really no big speed run. Just trying to see what it's my drag gear. I know in 132 feet, I don't get to a complete pass, so I would never see what the car's really reading. So that's what we're gonna see right now. Hopefully the GPS is zeroed out. Yes, it's working. It's 3.7 up there. Also, with the cones I got on the car for the wheel nuts, my rear ones, from hitting the curbs, it won't allow me to screw them on, so I need to buy new ones to actually put those on. Also, I had these batteries charged for like a week now, which is, oh no. Can you believe that? Oh, and it came back to me, baby. That is a great thing right there. All right, guys, you coming there. Wow, that was a hell of a pass. I'm not even, that thing got my heart racing right now. I didn't think that was gonna do that. Nah. I don't even think I held it long enough to get a good reading, but wow. Wow. 105. Took that with ease. And the fan ain't come on or nothing. So that's my drag gear, and as y'all can see, I got some body rub right there and right there. The back is good. Everything else seemed to do good. Dang, I didn't think that was gonna honestly do that. In 105, I don't see that on 132 feet. So right now the car is at its lowest gear setting. I cannot go no lower. But if I could, it would help me to get quicker on the 132, I believe. So I think I do need to fix this rubbing, because that's gonna help definitely slow me down, especially when the car goes on. Car sounded good coming through. I wish I could get another run. Fair's not on in the XLX2, but I'm not trying to overheat nothing. And when I checked the data logs the last time, this ESC was pulling over 500 and something in current. Let me get out the road, guys. Got people coming out here crazy. Sorry about that. Anyway, I do want to get some drag hits in. I see my body popped out, so you can tell what's going on there. I do want to get some drag hits in. I'm gonna test the motor, make sure it ain't too hot. I know the ESC ain't too hot because the fan ain't come on yet, but I'm sure the motor's hot. I do get a lot of pulls in 132 feet, so the motor is not that hot, but on a pull like that, it should be. And that was a fully charged battery for over a week now. I want to take off the top, but I'd just rather reach in there. Actually, that motor's kind of cool. That's strange. Not strange, but that's great. All right, guys. Sorry for the babbling, man. I just want to update y'all. Let's get a test hit in. 105 on the GPS. That's great for drag gearing, especially the lowest I could go on gearing right now. That truck is coming all the way down. Let me let him pass, and then I'll get back to y'all. But as I was saying, if y'all see the wheel nuts right here, mine's is damaged. So if I try to put these on the rear, it would have mess it up. I had it on the on that side. Truck pass. Yeah, all right, sorry guys. So I had it on that side, on both sides. I had messed the one up here, forcing it on, because this was damaged from hitting the curbs and stuff. So I need to buy 2 new ones and put 2 new ones up there, because I'm liking these spikes. They definitely sick, especially for drag racing. But, let's get some test hits in real quick. Got a little squirrely on me off the line. Also, I always forget, but now that I see the car rolling in the front left, when I bought this car, it had a bent axle, CVD, whatever you want to call it, and all I did was hit it to the ground and bend it back. But when the car's rolling, I could literally see that thing going up and down, so that's got to get fixed. Car's a work in progress. This car was bent in half when I got it together. When I got it, it has still the same chassis and everything on there. Car runs. Let's see if we get a better hit than we did just now. Keep them lines straight. All right, guys. All right, we're gonna call it a wrap. That was a good hit. And that left hit was me playing with the steering wheel, so that's why I went out to whack. Just now, that was a better hit. Gonna call it a wrap though. I'll probably show y'all the data logs, because this ESC does handle a lot of power. I do give it that. I'm liking the clear body look. I might spray paint it white underneath once I get everybody to fill in all of the characteristics, like the signatures and stuff on there. And then it'll really stand out. But with those bird marks on there, everybody might be just staying clear. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Car's running good. Foams is still breaking in. I'm getting a lot of smoking. So you know I gotta, right now what I'm gonna do is rotate the tires, because I notice a lot of smoking is coming from the rear. So if I keep running it like that, it will burn the rear out faster than the front. That was just a quick tip. Anyway guys, thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for more vids. Give y'all one little look around again of the names on the car. Hopefully y'all can see them. Shout out to all those people, man. Yeah, appreciate y'all. Kush, my boy Kush, I see you. Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. It was a good run.